Just a quick video on this GoPro knockoff. Here we have on the healing bench a 3.7 volt lithium ion 900 milliamp hour battery, or so it says, and it looks like it's quite a large battery for the size of it. If I do this, however, you'll see there's a teeny little cell inside of it. There's going to be about 150 milliamps, if that. This is hilarious. It's not even fastened down. There's blobs of solder rattling around in here as well. So it's absolutely hilarious. This camera was only £12, the fake action camera, and for that it is kind of worth it for the mounts and things, all the stuff you get with it. But now I don't know if the whole camera is fake yet, but I tried to power it up and it did nothing. This battery has no voltage across the terminals whatsoever. It's totally dead. So this cell is obviously toast. It's not puffed up, but I'm wondering if this battery is the cell is even real. Like, if I took this cell apart, maybe it'd just be sand inside or something. It looks legitimately real, but it feels it from the outside. I don't really poke it, but that's about it. Yeah, I don't even know if the camera's real. It could be completely fake inside. Who knows? That concludes this video for now.